If you're experiencing a server timeout issue on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to the internet. You can do this by navigating to the settings and checking the Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection status. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to a different network or restarting your router. Step 2. Restart Steam Deck. A simple restart can often resolve many issues. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. This can refresh the system and clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Update Steam Deck. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and check for any available updates. If updates are available, download and install them, then restart your device. Step 4. Verify Steam server status. Sometimes the issue may be on Steam's end. Visit the Steam status page or check community forums to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If Steam is down, you may need to wait until the servers are back online. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If the problem persists, try adjusting your network settings. Go to Settings, select Network, and change the DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. Save the changes and restart your Steam Deck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue on your Steam Deck. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.